Dope. NF Super Street, not a sponsor, not yet. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Riding the Reaper. Today we're out here at Traffik Coffee and Car Wash. They are in place of where, oh shit, truck coming past.
Yeah, that's a
Really, you're gonna ruin my shot?
yeah, downshift.
Downshift, whoa, rev match. He's got a Mustang badge on the back of his truck.
That is so cool.
That's a Mustang badge. We're out here at Traffik Coffee and Car Wash. Like I said, we are going to enjoy some nice warm coffee. Hey Ginger Ninja, how's it going? You alright?
Why do I always wave in the video?
I don't know why you're always waving.
I'm all like this.
You're like pretty far away. You're like hello.
Oh, you can see me from a mile away.
Yeah. And yeah, we got some nice breakfast going over there. Some coffee inside there. We got the Mutang and Yusuf Petersen over there with these Mercedes Benz. But yeah guys, hopefully it's gonna be a good turnout because the weather is a bit I don't know at the moment, but hopefully it's gonna open up. It hasn't been raining much. It's not even that cold either, but we're out here today just supporting a local business. They've only been here a month. Like I said, it was Cape Plastic Cars. Why are you dodging?
I try and get out of the shot.
Yeah, I was on Instagram live earlier on, and my car literally stood over there by Cape Plastic Cars on the lift. I'll put the tag up here to show how the place actually looked when we were at Cape Plastic Cars when my car was up on the lift. So you can see the difference. Eh? The place has changed a lot. Let me show you inside, guys. Let me show you this.
We've never been able to.
Let me just show you inside. Yeah. So that's how it looks now. You can see here, got some nice art and the industrial dryers for the car inside. Mr. Yusuf, what's up? Eh?
It's actually quite nice.
And they got some, look at this. They even got nutrition. I thought this was coffee, dude.
You juice.
This is actually...
I'll take juice.
You have. Yeah, they got your protein, whey protein.
They got chicken breast. They got chicken breast.
Chicken breast and egg whites.
Egg whites.
But it's pretty legit. It's pretty legit. They got all these nice protein. There's even hot chocolate. Look at this, cappuccino protein.
Back in the day, this stuff was my jam.
Yeah, this was
my
legit.
jam.
I don't know. I think everyone used to do this back in the day.
No, this was my jam.
Yeah,
I still have the shoulders. They're from your down.
Yeah, that's why I only record from this point down. But yeah, take a look at this. They got some mass. Well, we're gonna go upstairs now, bro. Look how nicely this is displayed as well. I got all your limitless here, so you can get your gains, your coffee, and your car wash. That's pretty legit. But guys, we're just waiting for everyone to pull up. Yeah, we're just waiting for everyone to pull up now.
Hey man, wait a minute.
We're waiting. You know this means like coming fashionably late.
Yes, okay.
But come out, guys. Well, I don't know why I'm saying this on a recorded thing. I thought it was still on Insta. But yeah, we'll see what the turnout looks like a bit later. People like coming late. So yeah, we'll see you later. Good morning, guys. It is currently the next day. The meet or breakfast run didn't pan out as big as we thought it would be, or as big as it would have been if the weather was a bit better. But yeah, we on to the next day. As you can see, got the Reaper open here. Excuse the dirty engine bay, we still need to get that cleaned. But today we're just going to be replacing some spark plugs, also clean the throttle body, and also the filter. I got a K&N recharge kit for the filter, because the filter is extremely dirty. I mean, I think the last time, well, we haven't ever cleaned the filter. I think the last time that filter was clean to what it should be is when we installed the cold air intake, which is quite a while back. Spark plugs, I have been checking them and they look fine, but it's been that certain amount of kilometers now where you need to replace the spark plug, so we're going to do that now as well, all 6 of them. Also with new NGK R's, the specific spark plug that these cars take. Cleaning the throttle body and the mass airflow sensor as well. Yeah, and that's basically about it. We're just gonna get the filter cleaned up and new spark plugs just so that she can run a bit better. We did throw in, oh sorry guys, I didn't even notice. We did throw in the octane booster, and the octane booster has a fuel injection cleaner and also cleans up all the gunk and stuff in the engine as well. So when we ran the octane booster yesterday, actually you could feel that in the beginning, obviously with the cleaning the engine and so on, you could feel right after that, after a certain few kilometers, you could really feel the difference. So I really think I'm going to start running octane booster a lot more, because of this being an American car and they got way better fuel up that side compared to our fuel down here. I think that the car would prefer running on octane booster. So I started very low, started on a 4-on. You can go up to 6 and higher, 6 being track, but I think I started with 4-on. 4-on works brilliantly. I'm going to try the 5-ron next and just take it from there. If she can run the 6-ron, then I'll do that as well. But yeah, let's get that filter off so we can do that first, because that filter needs to dry before we can spray it over with the K&N recharge kit or the K&N oils. So I got this kit. It's a very awesome kit. It's got a cleaner in and a oil that you spray on the filter. It's basically just to get it all nice and clean and back to the state it was in, like a brand new filter. Got our throttle body cleaner, and spark plugs are still laying in the garage. But yeah, we're gonna get to that right now, sort everything out. So we'll see you in the next. Okay guys, the first thing you're gonna need to do is disconnect the battery, the negative terminal. We're going to do the oil filter, the air filter first, because of obviously it needs to dry, and I need to drive the car by tomorrow. So we're going to take off 4 bolts there. There's the mass airflow sensor, so we're going to take those 4 bolts off, and these ones over here, so that we can just get the filter out of the fender. Because the filter, as you saw in the previous videos, I'll put up the link in the corner up over there, that the cone actually sits inside of the fender, so it gets more air over there. You could do a ramp intake, so I could put the filter over here, but I think it scoops up more air there because of the rotation of the wheel as well. So yeah, we're going to get that filter out, clean it off nicely, let it dry, and spray the oils on. So let's get to that. Okay, so got it off. It's just basically 4 bolts there, with the gasket, rubber gasket that they give you. As you can see, the filter is quite dirty, so we're going to clean it now. Take this off, get the filter off, get it nice and cleaned, then let it dry. This is just the heat shield that was connected, so you can't get the filter through there, so we have to get the heat shield also off. Yeah, get it all nice and cleaned up now quickly, and then let it dry, and then we can apply the oil, put the oil on, and get it back. We're going to try and get that mass airflow sensor off now as well, so we can get that cleaned as well, so that, you know, don't do a half a job, do it all, so it is all clean when you put it all back together. So we're just applying the cleaner to the filter now. You can apply a generous amount of cleaner. That's the fault. That's this. So just get the
No man.
get the cleaner. You can see it's bringing back the color already. And these are reusable filters, guys. This one that I'm using, they came with the gold intake. These are SR Performance gold intake, so they come with reusable filters. It's actually quite a decent looking filter as well. This broke when we were putting the O-ring tool into the rubber, so just be careful when you install yours or when you clean yours that you don't break this, because now we have to run it very carefully around so that we don't break it any further. Okay, so we got the rest of the piping off. We're just going to clean the throttle body now with some throttle body cleaner. We already cleaned the mass airflow sensor staying inside, so just want to get some on the throttle body itself. Okay, so we got the pipe all nice and cleaned up again, got the other piping laying in the garage all nice and cleaned up. We used some Bliksem degreaser, not a sponsor. Yeah, we need sponsors. Imagine Bliksem sponsors us and NF Octane Booster and Monster. Yo, then we rep all of you the whole time. And KNN, okay, KNN is the first time we're repping, but I mean, we are repping here.
Who else from
SR Performance, but we basically got everything SR Performance. We got SR Performance, lowering springs on, and SR Performance golden intake on. Yeah.
Pretty appetizing.
Hey guys, so we got those three on those side now basically out and new ones back in. Now we just need to obviously do these three on this side. Okay guys, so we just used the Bliksem degreaser on the intake over there. As you can see in the previous shots how that intake looked. This stuff, these guys, go get yourself some Bliksem. I even use it on the mags. Saw this by my friend Yusuf Petersen on his channel. Drop the link down to his channel in the description and check it out. This stuff really works. Don't get this on your paint though, it's really strong, but engine wise, mags, this stuff is hundreds. Cloth, Bliksem, some water, 100%. We even got all the spark plugs done while I was doing that. Just need to do the filter quickly and then just we're away. Okay, so I got the filter all nice and oiled up with the K&N recharge kit oil kit. You can see sprayed quite a bit on it just to get it nice and oiled up, and you can see the nice and red again instead of that black color that it was with all the gunk and stuff. Cleaner actually worked really well, got all the gunk out of those corners and so on, and yeah, she should be running 100% now again once we get this filter back on. Look at that, nice and clean. Just get the piping back on and we can start it up, see what she does.